सो तुम्ही सहमत आसा बिकॉज यू आर अ PWD मिनिस्टर आज.
माननीय मंत्री जे कितें उलयला ताचे विशीं ताच्या मनांतलो भितरलो विचार म्हाका खबर ना, त्या खातीर ताजेर हांव भाश्य करना. पूण पब्लीक वर्क्स डिपार्टमेंट इज अ वेरी बीग डिपार्टमेंट वेर दे गॉट देयर चीफ इंजिनियर्स ऑफ different categories, for different categories. For example, water supply chief engineer, then sewerage chief engineer, then roads, national highway roads chief engineer, and above that principal chief engineer is there. And as per my knowledge, these are all highly technical person who stood first in the Bombay University that time, gold medalist in the Bombay University, and I personally feel that these people, if you push them, definitely will get all the work done within the time. Only thing is you should push them. Now the problem with the PWD is something different, which I will bring notice in the house while discussion in the demands. I don't want to quote anything because I know what is the problem. I know how to get it resolved. I don't know what is in the mind of these ministers regarding the works to be undertaken by different agencies. I will ask him the questions in the house, and then only I can resolve the issue. Then I can answer you properly.
So you
But as per your opinion, you think an agency is required
Correct.
to
See, I have given you the answer of this because our engineers are some gold medalists, stood first in the Bombay University, stood first in the Goa University, and very good technical knowledge, very good consultant. If required, we can get lot of works done. There are people who have designed the bridges in the PWD, like Mr. Kulkarni, then Sheldarkar. There are many people. Then your principal chief engineer is the gold medalist of the Bombay University. He is IITian also. He has passed the BITS Pilani, and now he is doing
but
doctorate
you require
in engineering.
So-
that means he is also capable.
So
There
do you
are
require an
good
agency?
engineers in water supply also. And I personally feel when these people are there in the department,
You don't require
they
agency.
can get the work done, any work done, anywhere around the Goa, not even Goa, if they have been asked, because this principal chief engineer has been asked to come and join National Highway Authority in 2013-14 by Nitinji Gadkari's chief engineer, and also Raksha Mantri asked him if possible you join there. But he denied to go to Delhi, and that is the reason he could not.
So engineers can do this job, agency is not required.
I personally feel Public Works Department got everything in hand. They got every machinery. They can do anything.